everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a limited edition collaboration beauty box to share with you, and it is from Roccabox, and they have partnered up with the brilliant makeup artist that is Jack Emory. I've already unboxed this on Instagram, so I've had a look through it and I've opened everything up, etc. So I'll just do a quick video just to show you what's inside. So the cost of the box is £26 and it has a value of £77. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. So before I get into it, I'll just give you some background information about this box. It says this limited edition and super exclusive box has been curated especially for you by the makeup artist uber talented that is Jack Emory. For those of you who've seen Jack in action on his YouTube channel or already follow Jack Emory's Instagram account, you know that Jack is more than a makeup artist whiz. He is an absolute genius. He calls it face doodles. We call it the most aesthetically dreamy face art you'll find on Instagram. For those of you who haven't yet seen what Jack can do with a set of brushes, go follow Jack Emory immediately, and in the meantime revel in what Jack's decided noteworthy makeup bag should be without: an indulgent collection of makeup must-haves, cult products and skin prep essentials that are now all yours. So if you're new to Roccabox, Roccabox is a UK monthly beauty subscription box, and I've been unboxing their boxes for many years. I'll pop a link down in my description if you want to learn a little bit more about them, but also links to this limited edition box as well I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and all links and everything will be listed down there. So let's show you their hero product. This is a collaboration palette by Revolution and Jack Emory. So his own Makeup Revolution palette. Smart packaging, and look at the colours. So you find a massive mirror there, and those are the shades. A bit of everything there. I love that navy. Oh, okay, let's try some. Oh, I love navy and greys. So let's try, let's try a few. Oh, ooh, wow, look. Gorgeous, gorgeous colours. Let's try a bit of an orange as well in there. Yeah, they're nice. I can't imagine Jack putting his name to this palette if it wasn't that great. In all honesty, it says here, my own personal masterpiece. This took an entire year to create, plus years of me dreaming about what I would put in my own eyeshadow makeup palette. I am so proud of it. To purchase this palette, it will cost you £10. And he says, I designed it so that each quarter of the palette contains 5 shades that work together to create a whole new eye look. The colour pops are intense, the shades are highly pigmented, and this selection of matte and shimmer powders to play around with. Yeah, it is a really nice palette. Yeah, really nice shades. So there's that. Next we've got a product from Glamglow, and this is a little mini. This is a Glowstarter Mega Illuminating Moisturiser, and we've got Nude Glow here, and there's 7ml. Illuminating Moisturiser. Can you see? Ooh. Oh, I love that. Oh yeah. Now, even though I've done an unboxing on Instagram, only a quick scan through, I haven't tried any of the products, so I wanted to wait until this video to actually like swatch them and things like that. It doesn't leave a full-on shimmer on the skin, which is not what I personally want in a moisturiser anyway, but it is really nice. It's almost giving like a dewy sort of effect to my hand. Wow, okay. So this is a deluxe sample and it is worth £5.18. It says, for a super quick no makeup base that delivers amazing radiance, there's not much that beats this except a ridiculous amount of hydration thanks to hyaluronic acid and other skin loving ingredients, paired with a glowy illuminating pearlescent glow and a hint of sun-kissed colour. It's basically like your own skin but on a good day. Yeah, I really like that. Next we got a Mocha satin lipstick by MAC. And I've seen this one and it is gorgeous. When I initially saw this, I was thinking, is it going to be a bit too dark? I love dark lipsticks, but I've got quite small lips and it just does not look great on me at all. So there's a little mini bullet there. But no, it's a really gorgeous shade. That is so nice. Let's try it alongside the eyeshadows. I love this shade. Really, really love it. The matte formula is striking alone, but I also love a matte lipstick as a base to layer with gloss. Oh, and the dinky size is perfect for throwing in your bag now that leaving the house again is on the horizon. And to purchase this lipstick at a mini size, it'll cost you £12. Next, we've got something that is completely new to me. I think it's genius. I think it's a genius idea. It's from Eylure London and it's Line and Lash. Now you'll either receive a clear or a black. I've got a black one here. So this is a 2-in-1 lash adhesive and eyeliner. I'm a bit confused with a clear one though, because obviously that you wouldn't be able to see it, would you? But anyway, use with any false eyelashes. So it's essentially a glue, but an eyeliner glue. Such a good idea. Smooth application, all day wear and secure hold. So I've got it in black, but yeah, I do wonder what clear would be like. I can't wait to use this. If you've used this before, please let me know your thoughts, what you think about it. It's just like a little normal eyeliner. Let's see, try a little bit there. There. Okay. Yes, it's tacky. Yeah, it's really tacky. To buy this, it'll cost you £10. This is, and it says you're genius. I didn't read this beforehand. I did not read it. It's just I say genius all the time. This is genius. It's a brilliant felt tip eyeliner pen that lays down a super precise line of adhesive, all ready for you to apply your false eyelashes. It makes lash application so much easier and quicker. It is quite literally as easy as applying your everyday eyeliner, an absolute must. If, like me, you love your falsies, yes, I do. I do love my falsies, but why is it clear? What would happen? It's just normal glue then, isn't it? It's just normal glue pen, which again is a really great idea. Having a pen like this just to apply your glue on. Yeah, I do really like that. Next, we got a product by Illamasqua, and this is the very, very first time that I've received this product full size. Now, I've been a subscription box lover forever, for years and years and years, and I've received this product a good couple of times now. It's a gorgeous product. It's such a gorgeous product. It's a gel primer and it just feels amazing on your skin, but I've only ever received little small pots. Look, full size. Oh, nice jelly. Oh, I do really like it. It just feels amazing on. I love the feel of it. Purchase this, it'll cost you £34. And he says, I really love Illamasqua as a brand, and this primer is super hydrating, which is exactly what I'm looking for in a primer. This actually contains microalgae, vitamin C and B3, and you can feel it instantly calm, prep and hydrate the skin as you apply it. I like to apply the jelly-like formula with a brush for the smoothest and most even results, but you can use your fingers to pat on to clean skin and you'll still get amazing results. So there's that. Next we've got a sheet mask, and this is by Incredible. This is Gilt Tripper Exfoliating Sheet Mask for skin showing the first visible signs of aging. A gold sheet mask. Okay, so what's he say about this one? The recommended retail price for this mask is £5. A super prepping product to create a really even base. This innovative and fun mask lifts away dead skin and injects moisture, leaving you with the smoothest foundation to build upon, or leave bare if you prefer. So those are all the products that he's chosen for this box, and Roccabox have added in an extra freebie. Now, I had this as an extra freebie in their March monthly subscription box as well. I haven't used it yet. Actually, the one in my subscription box, it leaked a little bit, so I only had half of the bottle. But no, I've got another one now. So if it's really good, I'm happy. This is by a brand called ISOCLEAN. It says, suffer breakouts, dirty makeup brushes, reintroduce bacteria to your skin with every single makeup application. So it's a liquid to clean your brushes to get rid of bacteria. And then it just says about it that the recommended retail price for this little sample is £1. And it says, our bonus gift to you, because we couldn't create a box with a brush master like Jack Emory without encouraging you to keep your own brushes clean, Roccababes. So those are all the products inside this limited edition box. I think it is fab. I absolutely love it when Roccabox works with people on YouTube, bloggers, etc. I do really like it. I get quite excited about it. So I'm really grateful to Roccabox for sending this box out to me so I can show you and tell you all about it on my channel. But yeah, I'll just go through everything one by one to recap. So we've got an eyeshadow palette by Revolution. We've got an Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. We've got a mini matte lipstick in shade Mocha. We've got an Incredible sheet mask. We've got a Glamglow, an Illuminating Moisturiser. We've got an Eylure, a 2-in-1 eyeliner and eyelash glue, and then we've got the added freebie, which is an ISOCLEAN brush cleaner. The cost of the box is £26 and it has a value of £77. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you already bought it, or are you wondering if this is a box for you or not, or is this not a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below, especially if you've tried any of these products. I'd love to hear your thoughts about them as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.